Hey, this is Justin Bird from Randy Blair Weidman. I want to walk you through some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to whole home remodeling so that you can feel confident in your decisions moving forward. Who's a good fit for a whole home reno? Someone that's going to be in their home for the long haul. Someone that is not looking for a quick fix so that they can sell this home in 2 to 5 years. We want someone that is passionate about their home, passionate about what they want their home to become, and how this home renovation is going to change their life. So who's not a good fit for whole home renovations? Someone looking to flip a home. Typically you're looking for time and money. You want that cost to be an ROI to you. And sometimes the way we build is we're building to create a home that is a whole experience that caters to that person's wants and needs, and sometimes that just doesn't work when it becomes a investment type property. So when can we start your whole home renovation? Well, it's a little bit different than just doing a kitchen or a basement, because typically there's a whole home aspect, whether we're adding onto your home or we're changing an exterior element. With those aspects in mind, typically we need those windows and doors more towards the front of the project, where in those other projects, we can do them at any time. So it can delay the start of that project. Typically, we'll start a whole home renovation 6 weeks after we finish a design. How long does a whole home renovation take? Whole home renovations can take anywhere from 12 to 21 weeks. What factors factor into that is how much foundation do I need? How much framing do I have? How much stuff am I going to affect in my home? Typically a 12-week renovation is a simple bump out. It's a 100 square foot addition to create a mudroom, laundry room. A 20-week addition is we're adding 1,000 square foot to your home. We're gutting that home. We're completely changing the way that home functions. How much does a whole home renovation cost? It can cost anywhere from $275,000 to $650,000 plus. What factors factor into that? How big is the home? How big is the addition? How much of the home are we affecting? $275,000 whole home renovation is typically, 1 to 300 square foot addition to the home, and we're affecting a floor of the home. A $650,000 plus means we're gutting a home. We're changing every factor of that home. We're adding more than 300 square foot to the home. There's a lot more that goes into that project. Can you live in your home during a whole home renovation? We highly recommend you to not live in your home. Oftentimes you're going to have no electricity, no running water. We are making a mess of your home. Yes, we're going to keep it as clean as we can, but it is oftentimes very disruptive to everyday living. So these are some of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to a whole home renovation. I know I probably haven't answered all the questions today, but feel free to check out our website, fill out the form on our website, give us a call, or simply pop in our showroom to answer more questions.